our 36-inch 6-burner gas range. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 36 inches, a depth of 32.5 inches. Depth is counting from the front to the back of the splash, and without the splash, depth is 30.5 inches. Overall height of 61 inches tall with the splash, and without, we have a height of 37 inches tall. Clear will be a top shelf for storage, and the measurement will be 36 inches in length with a depth of 10.25 inches. 6 burners, with each measuring 11.75 inches in length, also by 11.75 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the single 6 burners. Coming from the bottom will be 2 shelves, and the measurement for each shelf will include 24 inches in depth with a length of 26 inches. Measurements apply for the top and bottom shelf. Overall height, we have 14 inches. Knobs to control and operate the burners. And beneath that will be the waste tray. Waste tray measuring 31.5 inches in length with a depth measuring 26.5 inches in depth. Coming to the back will be the black pipe for gas, and the bottom, caster wheels for easy mobility. And located in the bottom corner will be the e-tail certification along with the information and gas specifications for this range. Oven range can run on natural gas or propane with the natural gas regulator along with the propane orifices included. So natural gas or propane can be used for this oven range. Okay. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.